All right, just for a little bit of general information for those that may be new to blowing whistles, you may have noticed that I started the whistle slowly initially because we have some water build up in the manifold and also to heat the whistle up. So we don't initially want to go full bore on the whistle. We start off slow, get it warm, and then we're welcome to blow the whistle.
Hi, this is Patrick. I own a Simply whistle. It's 4 chimes. This is my very first whistle.
Youngstown Illinois Central Boiler Tube whistle. Thanks, CJ Holden. This is a Hancock flat top lump L3 chime owned and used down in Cassidy, Dakota by engineer Artie Barkley. Reading Railroad 6 chime steam whistle, commonly used on G1, G2, and G3 class 462 Pacific Reading engines.